Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today I've got another Kodi build. Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. Today I've got another great Kodi build. This is a Xenon build. It's a really great build with a lot of features. So let's begin. First of all, I'm going to show you how to install it, and then we will go through everything step by step. So first of all, you want to come to settings. It's a very important thing. Come to system settings. You want to scroll down to add-ons. And you want to come down to unknown sources. You want to make sure this is enabled. It's going to give you a warning pop-up message. Just hit OK to that. Yes, this enables us to download wizards and stuff like that. You want to come back. You want to find File Manager. Click on that. And you want to scroll down to Add Source. And this box here, you need to type in exactly what I type. You don't want to make any mistakes. If you do, it's not going to work. So take your time. I'm going to keep this up for a few seconds so you guys can look at it properly. Okay, when you're done, you want to just hit enter. Come down, give it a name. What I like to put a dot at the front so I know it will be at the top. I'm just going to call it Xenon. And you just want to hit OK. Now you want to go back one more step to your home screen, and now you want to scroll down onto add-ons, and you want to click on that. And now you want to go to the left hand corner top box. You see this open box, you want to click on that, and now you want to go to install from zip file. And here you will find wherever you named it. So mine's at the top because that's the easiest way. You want to click on that, click on the wizard. I'm going to come down to the bottom one, Chef Wizard 9.4. This depending on what time you're installing this, but this is the latest version. So I'm just going to hit OK. And now it's going to do install. This install will depend on your internet speed. So it may be quick, it may be slow. So just take your time, just wait a few more seconds. Maybe a minute or so, just wait for it. So yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you have any feedback, anything, just let them know in the comments and I'll make sure I reply back to you guys. So I'm still waiting on this to finish up. So as you can see, mine's done now. So what I want to do is just adding on stuff. I want to come back and come down to program add-ons, and then you can see the Chef Wizard is there. I'm going to open that up. It's going to load again, and you want to come down to builds, click on that, and you're going to get loads of different options here. So you've got the Dix Xenon build, and you got the Dirty Chef one as well, and you got loads of different ones as you can see. What I'm going to do is to install the normal one, the Xenon one. So I'm going to hit OK to that. Give that a few seconds to load up, and I want to come down and click on Fresh Install. And yes, I want to hit continue. And now it's going to install, it's going to download everything. So just be patient, guys. This will all depending on your speed and your what device you're using, so be patient, guys. And now it's done. Now it's asking you to force close down Kodi. You want to do that, and then you want to reopen Kodi. So I'm going to do that. So when you reload Kodi, this is how you're going to get. It starts with the Xenon build. So you've got your movies, TV shows, your library, your sports, TV guides, kids zone, streaming for YouTube and stuff, your music, your Xenon. So if you want to change some profiles, you change your wallpapers, add-ons, and you got some few Android apps if you want to download. You got your favorite section, which is really nice. the build is nearly the same to the Dirty Chef one as well. It's the same procedure, but it's just going to be more, way. But if you go to movies, you can just come scroll down and you can see. So I'm just going to hit enter to the movies, give that a load. And you can see the movies now pop up in this nice view. So I've got loads of movies, as you can see, which is really nice. So if I click on the Black Panther, give that a few seconds and it will load up. And it's loaded up here. You can see what rating it's got, how many words, the minutes, release date and stuff like that. Oops, sorry, that's the wrong button, I hit back. But you get your release date, the budget and everything like that. You can come further down and see more stuff about the movie. You got your trailers, other videos on YouTube. You got your cast if you want to look at that, the crew member, which is really nice. Come back, and if you want to hit play, it will just start playing, so that's really great. So I'm just gonna come back. So that's how the movies are, but that's really nice. You get this big icon, so it's very nice to find out. So I'm gonna come back out of that. The same goes for your TV shows, your sports, your kids section as well. So that's the same way if you go to kids movie. So if I click on the kids section, it's the same thing. So you get your kids books and stuff like that. You got your kids YouTube in here as well, which is really nice. So if you go to kids movies, you can load up and it gives you the same feedback. So that's really nice. If you come further back, you've got your streaming service, so YouTube and stuff like that, your music, if you want to listen to music. But that's really great. So you have loads of features. The movies are really great, and most of them are in high definition, so that's really great if you want to be watching that. But yeah guys, I do hope you like this build. Do give it a try. I'll leave any links in the description if you need any links. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one guys. Take care.